Hello everyone. In this video, I'll explain how to add Wix website to Google Search Console, which is an essential step for improving your site's visibility and SEO. Before we get started, I have a quick tip for you. If you're serious about monitoring your URLs in real time, ensuring safe indexing, and boosting your search performance, I highly recommend checking out URL Monitor. This tool is invaluable for keeping your online presence in top shape, allowing you to identify issues quickly and maintain optimal search visibility. Try it out using the link given in the description below. Now, let's get back to our video. By following this guide, you'll make sure your site is properly indexed by Google, helping potential visitors find it more easily. Step 1. Sign in to Wix first. You'll need to sign into your Wix account. Once logged in, navigate to your website's dashboard. This is where you manage your site's settings, content, and SEO. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'll be using a random test website as an example. You should see the dashboard with various options to manage your site. Step 2. On your dashboard, Wix provides a setup progress bar that tracks different tasks needed to optimize your website. One of these tasks is likely Get Found on Google. If you've already completed some of the setup tasks, you'll see how many are left to finish. Look for the task labeled Get Found on Google. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. You can simply use the search bar at the top of the dashboard. Type in Get Found on Google and you'll be directed to the Wix SEO Whiz, a tool specifically designed to help improve your site's search engine optimization. This tool will guide you through the steps needed to optimize your website for Google search results. Click Get Started and you'll begin a quick setup process that should take about 15 minutes to complete. At this point, the SEO Whiz will ask for some basic information about your business or website. You'll need to enter your business or website name. This will be the name that appears in Google search results. Describe your business. Add a short description that explains what your business or website is about. This helps Google understand the purpose of your site. Once you've filled in this information, the SEO Whiz will generate a customized SEO plan for you based on the information you provided. Step 5. Complete the SEO checklist. Now, the SEO Whiz will provide you with a checklist of tasks designed to optimize your website for Google search. For each task in the checklist, simply click on the Go For It button next to the task, and Wix will guide you through what needs to be done. Follow the instructions for each item until you've completed everything. Step 6. Connect your site to Google. Once you've gone through the entire checklist and completed all the necessary SEO tasks, you'll reach the final step, which is connecting your site to Google. At this point, click on Connect to Google, and Wix will handle the process of submitting your site to Google for indexing. Step 7. Monitor your site's performance. After your site is connected to Google, it might take some time for your website to appear in search results. You can monitor its progress by using tools like Google Search Console, which allows you to track how your website is performing in terms of search visibility, keyword rankings, and more. You can also revisit the Wix SEO Whiz whenever you need to update or improve your site's SEO. It's a good idea to periodically check on your SEO plan to make sure your site stays optimized as your content and business grow. That's it. The process of connecting your Wix website to Google is straightforward, thanks to Wix's built-in SEO Whiz tool. It walks you through everything step by step, from creating an SEO plan to completing key optimization tasks. Following this process will help ensure that your website is properly indexed by Google, which can drive more traffic and increase your visibility online. By the way, don't forget that you can monitor your URLs in real time, ensure safe indexing, and boost search performance with URL Monitor. I encourage you to check the link in the description below for more details.